basis of all dance is rhythm. Rhythm in the hips, rhythm in the hands, and rhythm in the feet. Disco music is a kind of music that really gets inside your blood and tells you to express things in everyday life.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those cats were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. There was funky Chinaman from funky Chinatown. They were chopping them up, they were chopping them down. It's an ancient Chinese art, and everybody knew their part. From a fainting to a slip, and a kick it from the heat. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those cats were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. Hey, fought with expert timing. There was funky Billy Jean and little Sammy Chaw. He said, "Here comes the big ball. Let's get it on." We took a bow and made a stand. Started swaying with the hand. Sudden motion made me skip. Now we're into a brand new trick. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those cats were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but I did it with expert timing. Oh yeah. Sure enough, man, everybody was kung fu fighting. Those cats were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but I did it with expert timing. Kung fu fighting, hands and feet, fast as lightning. Kung fu fighting.
So the disco hitchhike and a 1, 2, a 2, 2, a 3, 2, a 4, 2, a 5, 2, and 6, 2.
Don't leave me this way. I can't survive. I can't stay alive without your love. Oh, baby, don't
in his beat. So I got back up to try my luck. Why look?
Everybody's too much, 'cause it's so good.
KP discos have an apostrophe. This worried Mr. Irving because his KP discos didn't own anything. They're just a plural. He owned them. KP said if they'd left out the apostrophe, people would have pronounced it discos. We went to a few discos to ask young people what they thought of this.
I can't stand the rain against my window, bringing back sweet memories. I can't stand the rain.
So many things that's held us down, but now it looks like things are finally coming around. I know we've got a long, long way to go, and where we'll end up, I don't know. But we won't let nothing hold us back. Putting our show together, polishing up our act. If you've ever been held down before, I know you refuse to be held down anymore. So to listen to every word I say, every word I say. No stopping us now. No. Oh, we're moving, grooving. Ain't no stopping us now. Look at me, yeah. Through God. Moving. Oh, no stopping us now. I know. Ain't no stopping us now. Believe me, y'all, I know.
Vincerelli, if that is just half as difficult as it looks, it's terrifying. I can't even stand up on those things.
Oh, no, it looks harder than it really is. It's really a lot of fun, a lot of energy. My body's in perfect shape because of skating.
Just begun to get our share of this world's delight. High hopes we have for the future and our goals in sight. We know we don't get depressed. Here's what we call our golden rule. Have faith in you and the things you do. You won't go wrong. Oh no, this is our family jewel.
I quit work, and we become as damn near self-sufficient as possible. We've got bags of garden, we grow our own food. We keep some animals, chickens, a pig. We produce our own energy, recycle rubbish. We design the things we need. It'll be just us, doing it for us. What do you think?
At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. If I'd have known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Oh, now go, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye?
tonight. Discotheque? What? Look, Queen Elizabeth Hall, Wigmore Hall, Royal Festival Hall. They're all discotheques.
That Glyndebourne disco with Emperor Roscoe.
There's no live music on anywhere. What is happening?
You know what? I just can't control my feet. I just can't control my feet. My feet, they just keep on moving. Woo! I just can't control my feet. I just can't control my feet. My feet, they just